Hi guys, today I discuss about .NET framework. If you are new in our YouTube channel, please like and subscribe our channel. First of all, I see what is .NET framework. The .NET framework is a software development framework created by Microsoft that runs primarily on Microsoft Windows. It provides a large class library called the Framework Class Library and supports several programming languages, allowing interoperability between them. Here are some key aspects of the .NET framework. Number 1, Base Class Library. The base class library includes a variety of standard functionalities such as file reading and writing, graphic rendering, database interaction, and XML document manipulation. Number 2, Common Language Routine Runtime. The Common Language Runtime is the virtual machine component of the .NET framework. It manages the execution of .NET programs, providing important services such as security, memory management, and exception handling. Number 3, Languages. The .NET framework supports several programming languages including C Sharp, Visual Basic, .NET, VB.NET, and F Hash. This allows developers to choose the language they are most comfortable with while still being able to use the same framework. Number 4, Applications Model. The framework supports several types of applications: Windows Forms applications, ASP.NET applications for web development, and WPF Windows Presentation Foundation applications for rich desktop interfaces. Interoperability. The .NET framework allows for easy integration with other technologies and libraries. This includes COM interoperability and pinvoke for calling native code. Memory management. The CLR provides automatic memory management through a process called garbage collection, which helps in managing the application's memory more efficiently and reduce the likelihood of memory leaks. Number 7, Security. The .NET framework includes various security features such as code access security, which controls the resources a program can access, and role-based security, which can restrict actions based on users' roles. Number 8, Deployment. Applications built on the .NET framework can be easily deployed using technologies such as ClickOnce and the Windows installer. The .NET framework has evolved over time, leading to the development of new platforms like .NET Core and the unified .NET 5 over 6 Plus, which provide cross-platform support and improved performance. However, the .NET framework is still widely used for many existing applications, particularly those running on Windows. Types of .NET framework. The .NET framework ecosystem has evolved to include several different frameworks, each tailored for specific types of applications and use cases. Here are the primary types of .NET frameworks. Number 1, .NET Framework. The original .NET Framework implementation that has been widely used for Windows-based applications includes extensive libraries for building desktop applications, Windows Forms, WPF web applications, ASP.NET, and more, mainly targeted for Windows environments. Number 2, .NET Core, a cross-platform open source framework designed for modern applications, support Windows, Macintosh operating system, and Linux, provides high performance and scalability. Often used for cloud applications, microservices, and server-side applications. Includes ASP.NET Core for building web applications and APIs. .NET 5 and .NET 6 Plus, unified platforms that combines the best features of .NET Framework and .NET Core. Cross-platform and open source. .NET 5 was the first version of this unified platform, with .NET 6 being the latest long-term supports vision as of now. Supports a wide range of application types including web, mobile, desktops, and cloud. Thank you.